इस लेक्चर में हम टीएफआर 2025 का मोस्ट प्रोबेबल क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस करेंगे। मोस्ट प्रोबेबल क्वेश्चन, पहला जो क्वेश्चन है, कंसीडर ए पार्टिकल with charge plus C moving under a 3-dimensional isotropic harmonic potential VR of आपका गिवन है 1/2 m omega square r square in the electric field E equal to E naught I cap. What is the energy eigenstate and energy eigenvalue? तो हैमिल्टोनियन जो आपका होती है H इक्वल टू पी स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड 2m प्लस m ओमेगा स्क्वायर बाई 2r स्क्वायर माइनस e नॉट x, पर H इक्वल टू hx प्लस h प्लस hz hx इक्वल टू ex स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड 2m प्लस m ओमेगा स्क्वायर बाई 2 minus e naught x and hy equal to p y square divided 2m plus m omega square divided 2 and hz equal to p z square divided 2m plus m omega square z square divided 2. So the wave function psi of x, y and z is psi 1 of x, psi 2 of y, psi 3 of z, where psi 2 of y equal to 1 by 100 pi 2 to the power n lambda to the power n to lambda into factor h into of y e to the power minus y square divided 2 lambda square, and psi 3 of z equal to 1 by root under pi lambda 2 to the power n 3 in 3 factor h and 3 of z then minus z square divided 2 lambda square, where lambda equal to root under h का divided m omega. Now the equation for psi 1 hx of psi 1x minus h square divided 2m del square psi 1 divided del x square plus m omega square by 2x square 7 minus e naught x psi 1 equal to e1 psi 1. Changing the variable to zeta, introduce the zeta x by lambda minus e naught root under h square m omega yield. So we have d square psi 1 divided d zeta plus 2 e1 divided h square omega plus e naught the whole square divided root under h square m omega cube psi 1 minus zeta square psi 1 equal to 0. So one dimensional harmonic oscillator we have psi 1 of zeta equal to under pi 2 to the power n1 factor lambda h n1 zeta e to the power minus zeta square by 2, or psi 1 of x equal to 1 by root under pi lambda 2 to the power n1 factor h n1 of x exp minus 1 by 2 x by lambda minus e naught divided h square m omega cube m whole square So the quantization condition in the case 2e1 h square omega plus e naught also divided h square omega cube n equal to equal to equal to 2n1 plus 1, and the energy eigenvalue so the energy eigenvalues are E1 of A11 equal to N1 plus 1 by 2 h square omega minus E naught also divided 2m omega square. So the wave function psi of x, y and z equal to psi 1 of x, psi 2 of y, psi 3 of z. The energy eigenvalue are n1, n2, n3 equal to en1 plus en2 plus en3. So n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus 3 by 2 h square omega minus e naught divided 2m omega square. So आपका पहला क्वेश्चन था दूसरा जो क्वेश्चन है consider the 1D harmonic oscillator with the Hamiltonian A is equal to p square divided 2m plus half m omega square x square. We define operators p cap equal to p cap divided root under m omega h square and k cap equal to x cap root under m omega by h square. So h cap equal to h square omega by 2, q cap also, p cap also. So what is the q cap comma p cap? What is the p cap comma q cap? And operator and the operator for the operator a cap and a cap dagger define as a cap equal to 1 by root 2 q cap plus I p cap root under m omega divided 2 h cap s cap plus I divided m omega p cap, and a cap dagger equal to 1 by root 2 q cap minus I p cap under m omega divided 2 h cap x cap minus I m omega p cap. So compute a n क्या होगा आपका a dagger n आपका क्या होगा पर n is the eigen function of the harmonic oscillator for the nth state. So पहले के लिए जो हम देखेंगे पहले जो है आपका पहला जो आपका जो है x कॉमा पी कैप ये जो आपका आई एच कर होगा हमें पता है. सो पी कैप कॉमा क्यू कैप इक्वल टू जो आपका होगा पी कैप रूट अंडर ए मंगा एच कर एक्स कैप रूट अंडर ए मंगा डिवाइडेड एच कर तो 1 बाई एच कर पी कैप कॉमा एक्स कैप तो माइनस है आपका होगा. ऑप्शन बी के लिए हमें पता है एक कैप डैगर एक कैप जो आपको होती है 1 बाई 2 क्यू कैप माइनस आई पी कैप ई कैप प्लस आई पी कैप. equal to 1 by 2 q cap whole square equals to minus I p cap q cap minus q cap p cap equal to chop over 1 by 2 q cap also minus plus p cap also minus I p cap comma q cap equal to 1 by 2 q cap also is also minus 1. So we have h cap equal to h car omega a cap dagger a cap plus 1 by 2 and a cap dagger comma a cap equal to 1 by 2 q cap minus I p cap comma q cap plus I p cap to I q cap comma p cap equal to minus 1, where a cap dagger a cap minus a cap dagger to minus 1. We obtain h cap equal to h car omega a cap dagger plus 1 by 2. So we have a cap h cap equal to h car omega a cap comma a cap dagger a cap equal to h car omega a cap comma a cap dagger a cap equal to h car omega a cap. Similarly, we have a cap dagger comma h cap relation h car a cap comma a cap dagger equal to h car omega a cap dagger comma a cap dagger minus h car omega a cap dagger. So using the energy eigenvalue relation h cap n equal to h car omega n plus 1 by 2 n. So we can write we have n h cap n equal to h car omega a cap dagger a cap plus 1 by 2 n and a cap dagger a cap n equal to n h cap n equal to h car omega a cap dagger plus a cap dagger minus 1 by 2 n and a cap dagger n equal to n plus 1 n and a cap dagger equal to minus 1 by h car omega a cap dagger h on the state n so a cap dagger n minus a cap dagger h cap divided h car omega n plus h cap a cap dagger divided h car omega n minus n plus 1 by 2 a cap dagger n plus h cap a cap dagger divided h car omega n h cap a cap dagger n equal to h car omega n plus 3 by 2 a cap dagger n. So we have a cap dagger n equal state directly proportional to n plus 1 and psi plus equal to a cap dagger n equal to alpha plus n plus alpha plus is a constant, alpha plus is a constant. Now alpha plus the whole square equal to psi plus bracket, so in a cap dagger in and a cap dagger n equal to n plus 1 n and alpha plus also equal to n plus 1 and alpha plus will root under n plus 1. So a cap dagger n equal to root under n plus 1 and a cap equal to 1 by h car omega a cap comma h cap and a cap n equal to a cap h car divided h car omega n minus h cap a cap h car omega n plus 1 by 2 a cap n minus h cap divided h car omega a cap n. Now h equal to a n ये हलो h का ओमेगा n minus 1/2 an. So we have an a in variance in minus 1. So psi minus equal to a n equal to alpha minus in minus 1. But alpha minus is a constant. Alpha minus is a constant. Alpha minus the whole should equal to psi minus equal to n a cap dagger a n and a cap dagger a cap n equal to n alpha minus the whole should n into alpha minus root under n a cap n root under n n minus 1 a 0 से ऑपरेट करेगा तो 0 होगा a cap n equal to root under n minus 1 a cap dagger n root under n plus 1 okay. सो और भी मैं टीएफआर का सोल्यूशन रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन ले आऊँगा. ओके, सो थैंक यू.